Singapore is a densely populated city-state with an average of 7,000 residents in each square kilometer of land. With such a densely populated country, this creates a problem. We can't see it, we can't taste it, and we can't smell it, but it affects our quality of life. Noise! Given our land constraint, there is a limit on setback distances and land buffers that we can provide to keep man-made noise pollution at its minimum. There have been many attempts made by NEA, Ministry of the Environment and Water Resources, HDB, and other authorities to reduce such pollutions, but it seems to be not effective. However, with our powerful noise alarm, it will reduce noise pollutions ranging from void deck footballs to loud conversations during nighttime. So let's see, how does it work?